All right, let's dive into the world of Git, GitHub, and DevOps. Today, we're going to explain what these three terms mean, why they matter, and how you can use them to become a better developer. First things first, what are Git, GitHub, and DevOps? Let's break it down. Git is a free and open source distributed version control system that allows developers to work on the same codebase simultaneously. It tracks changes in your files and helps maintain different versions of your project. GitHub, on the other hand, is an online platform where you can store, manage, and share your Git repositories. It's like a massive public sandbox for your projects. DevOps is a culture that emphasizes collaboration between development and operations teams to create a more efficient and reliable software development process. It focuses on continuous integration, continuous deployment, and automation. Now that we've got the basics down, let me explain why this matters to you as a developer. Imagine you're working on an open source project with hundreds of contributors. Without Git, it would be extremely difficult for everyone to work on the same codebase without causing conflicts or overriding each other's changes. With Git, you can easily fork a repository, make your own modifications, and then submit a pull request for others to review and merge. GitHub adds even more value by providing an extensive network of developers who can help you improve your project, spot bugs, and contribute new features. It also makes it easy to manage your projects, track changes, and collaborate with others in real time. DevOps comes into play when you want to streamline your development process. By automating tasks like testing, building, and deploying, you save time and reduce the risk of human error. This allows you to release high-quality software more frequently, leading to happier users and a successful career as a developer. Now let's discuss some practical examples and real use cases for Git, GitHub, and DevOps. One example is using Git and GitHub for collaboration on an open source project. Let's say you're working on a website builder and you want other developers to contribute themes and plugins. By setting up a repository on GitHub, you can invite others to collaborate, fork the project, and submit pull requests with their own themes or plugins. This allows everyone to work together in one central location, making it easy to track changes, review code, and merge contributions. Another example is using DevOps principles to improve your development process. Let's say you're working on an e-commerce website for a company that sells widgets. By automating tasks like testing and deployment, you can ensure that every update to the site is thoroughly tested before going live. This reduces the risk of bugs and downtime, leading to happier customers and more trust in your work as a developer. Now let's talk about two insights that most shallow videos do not mention. First, Git, GitHub, and DevOps are not just for big corporations or open source projects. They can be used by developers of all skill levels, from beginners to experts. By learning these tools and techniques, you can make your development process more efficient and enjoyable. Second, collaboration is key in the world of software development. By using Git, GitHub, and DevOps principles, you can work together with other developers, create better code, and build a strong community around your projects. This not only helps you grow as a developer, but also contributes to the overall success of the open source ecosystem. Unfortunately, there is a common mistake or misconception about these tools, believing that Git, GitHub, and DevOps are too complex or difficult for beginners. However, with the right resources and practice, anyone can learn and master these skills. So don't let fear hold you back from improving your development process. In conclusion, understanding Git, GitHub, and DevOps is essential for any developer who wants to collaborate effectively, streamline their workflow, and create high-quality software. By incorporating these tools and principles into your projects, you'll be well on your way to becoming a more successful and valued member of the developer community. So if you're ready to take your skills to the next level, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below with what you'd like me to cover in my next video.